contact page. You've watched our videos.
Hope you've enjoyed them.
Yeah, you've had a look at our website.
Yeah.
So what is the next step?
Yes.
Well, first thing you could do is call us. Call us and we can organise for a survey to come out or
advice,
showroom.
whatever. Yeah, whatever you need.
Also, we can obviously give you advice if you're not quite at that stage yet. So we can advise you on what different lifts we do and try and help you if you sort of explain what your circumstances are. We also offer aftercare too.
Yes.
So repairs, servicing, removals. If you do need a repair though, give us a ring rather than fill the contact form in.
Just as a matter of urgency,
so
really.
we can deal with it more efficiently and quickly.
Absolutely. We can ask you questions, see exactly how urgent it is, and we can respond in the correct and quick response, really.
Quick response, for repairs. So obviously you can contact us via email as well if it's a non-urgent email. And you can also follow us. Don't forget to follow us on socials.
Yes.
So we're on YouTube, obviously, and we are on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn too. So yeah, here we are. We're here to help you. We're ready to help you with friendly advice. So call the experts. Just give us a ring and let us know how we can help you. We'd love to help you and your family.
Please ring.